Now I am making a video and I will show you how to put text to speech into your video. So we had prepared the script of this video already. So next we will change this text to speech. Copy this text and then go to Speechelo. Sorry. This is Speechelo that I had logged in. So put that text in this channel. So we had already select the voice English Billy Joanne male. So and when we put the text here, at first we generate
YouTuber, Mr. Beast, yearly earnings, $24 million. This is a preview. For full text, click Generate VoiceOver.
as in the video said, it is the previous to see it. If we would like to generate, we will put another button. It is green button to generate. Okay, generate already, and it is will appear here. So first we will check about the sound.
YouTuber, Mr. Beast, yearly earnings, $24 million.
Okay, close this now. It's time to download. So the system asks, do you want soundtrack? No, because I had soundtrack already, so I put this. So the voice come here in the download. So come back to Powtoon. Now we click add voice and select upload. And this is at the top. It is the MP4 file that we just download. So open it. So this sound will use to over on our video or just only this slide, just current slide. Let's play.
YouTuber, Mr. Beast, yearly earnings, $24 million.
Now we check again about the sound. Click here.
Mr. Beast, yearly earnings, $24 million.
So this is 7 seconds. So we deduct the second of this frame. Now let's play again.
YouTuber, Mr. Beast, yearly earnings, $24 million.
Yes, from this text, it becomes speed as you see. So it is very easy to use Speechelo here. So link is in description if you would like to make your own text to speech.
YouTuber, Mr. Beast, yearly earnings, $24 million.
Thank you and goodbye.
Get mystery gift from me. Link in description.